So forgive them. You understand? These things don't know. Ethiopian prayer, most people don't know it, and I like quote something. Because you put me up on a thing where I love, you know. I love to talk about Rasta thing, you know. I'm Mr. Talkative, you know. So the Ethiopian prayer, I like quote some people and say, princes shall come out of Egypt, which means bondage. Ethiopia shall stretch forth her hands unto God. Although God of Ethiopia, thy divine majesty, thy spirit has come into our hearts to dwell. In the paths of righteousness, lead us. Help us to forgive that we may be forgiven. Teach us love, loyalty on earth as it is in Zion. Endow us with thy wisdom, knowledge and understanding to do thy will. Thy blessings to us that the hungry be fed, the naked clothed, the sick nourished, the aged protected and the infants cared for. Deliver us from the hands of our enemies that we may prove fruitful in the last days, when our enemies are past and decayed, in the depths of the sea, in the depths of the earth, or in the belly of a beast. Oh, give us all a place in thy kingdom, forever and ever. Selah. Now, Ethiopian prayer serious, you know. It has said that the hungry be fed, the naked clothed, the sick nourished, the aged protected, and infants cared for. If people do them 5 things there, them get blessings. But if you cast your pearls to swines and do things, give people that who are not in need, you don't get no blessing. See? So where life has started is that good over evil every time. I must help people who really need help, you know? You see it? Because one day you may need help.
True.
And it's not the same person who may help you, but somebody else may come along, and because of your good works, as you emphasize on, it's through his master works, make you seen for who we meet.
Yes.
So it's them thing we want project. See?
That's the far right.
So that's right. So give thanks, you know.
Yeah,
and we are off.
Builders TV.
Yeah, don't leave me.
Give thanks and praise.
So that's right.